Most people compare Habitica and Mistplay the wrong way because they think both apps are designed for the same purpose. Here's the truth no one tells you. One app is built to improve your habits and productivity, while the other is designed mainly for gaming rewards and gift cards. In this video, you'll learn the real difference between Habitica and Mistplay in 2026, which app gives better value depending on your goals, and the hidden downside most users discover too late. Let's start with Mistplay. Mistplay is focused on earning rewards through mobile gaming. You download games through the app, play normally, and collect points that can eventually be redeemed for gift cards. It's simple, casual, and designed mainly for entertainment. For example, Alex uses Mistplay during lunch breaks and while commuting. He plays puzzle games, levels up, and slowly earns rewards over time. The biggest advantage is that you can turn gaming time into small rewards instead of playing completely for free. But here's the problem. Mistplay rewards are usually small, unless you spend a lot of time inside the app. This is where most people fail. They expect fast or serious income, when the platform is really better suited for casual side rewards. Now let's compare that to Habitica. Habitica is completely different. Instead of rewarding gameplay directly, it turns your real-life tasks and goals into a role-playing game system. You complete habits, daily routines, workouts, or study goals to level up your character. Now here's where it gets interesting. Habitica technically doesn't pay you money like Mistplay, but many users say it improves productivity enough to help them earn more in real life. John used Habitica to stay consistent with freelancing tasks and studying, which indirectly helped him increase his income over time. Another major difference is mindset. Mistplay rewards entertainment behavior. Habitica rewards discipline and consistency. That's why users often have completely different experiences depending on what they actually want from an app. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way some people combine both apps together. Before that, there's one important thing you should know. Habitica works best for people who already want structure and accountability. If someone ignores tasks easily, they may stop using it quickly. Now for the interesting strategy. Some users use Habitica to control gaming habits while still using Mistplay casually. Jay created a rule where he only allowed himself to play Mistplay games after finishing his real-world tasks inside Habitica first. That gave him both productivity and entertainment rewards. So which app is better in 2026? If your goal is earning gift cards from gaming, Mistplay clearly wins. But if your goal is building better habits, improving consistency, and becoming more productive, Habitica offers far more long-term value. The key takeaway is simple. Mistplay rewards your free time. Habitica rewards your discipline. If you've tried either app, comment below with which one helped you more. And subscribe for more app comparisons, productivity tools, and online earning guides.